Well, Prime Minister Modi is holding multiple meetings today to review the situation in India. He's holding a meeting with chief ministers that we just mentioned of 10 states that have a high caseload and pressure on the healthcare infrastructure. Earlier, he also chaired an internal one-hour meeting with COVID-empowered panel to review the virus crisis. At 12:30, in fact, in just 30 minutes from now, he's going to be holding a meeting with leading oxygen manufacturers across the country. The meetings come at the backdrop of the country reporting its highest ever single-day spike with over 3,14,000 cases in just 24 hours. And remember, these are just the counted cases of COVID in the country. There are many cases that are going underreported. On Thursday, the Prime Minister cancelled his remaining rallies in West Bengal following a surge in cases in the poll-bound state.
इस बार कोरोना संकट में देश के अनेक हिस्से में ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ी है। इस विषय पर तेजी से और पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ काम किया जा रहा है। केंद्र सरकार, राज्य सरकारें, प्राइवेट सेक्टर सभी की पूरी कोशिश है कि हर जरूरतमंद को ऑक्सीजन मिले। ऑक्सीजन प्रोडक्शन और सप्लाई को बढ़ाने के लिए भी कई स्तरों पर उपाय किए जा रहे हैं। राज्यों में नए ऑक्सीजन प्लांट्स हो, 1 लाख नए सिलेंडर पहुंचाने हो, औद्योगिक इकाइयों में इस्तेमाल हो रही ऑक्सीजन का मेडिकल इस्तेमाल हो, ऑक्सीजन रेल हो, हर प्रयास किया जा रहा है।
Right, my colleague Rahul Srivastava is getting us more details on that story, Rahul, right now, and it's evident that what is really required is uninterrupted supply of oxygen to all states that all the chief ministers have been speaking about. We heard from the Delhi chief minister. What is the plan in place as far as the centre is concerned when it comes to this particular crisis?
You see, anybody who has been following this entire story of the second surge will realize that most of the action which is being taken is more in terms of damage control than actually displaying a sense of preparedness. It's very clear that once the horses are bolted, they're trying to shut the doors. There is a huge availability of oxygen in India. No denying that till a few days ago, only 54% was being used, while there was a huge demand. The crisis is, as the Delhi Chief Minister pointed out, that oxygen is available in Odisha and West Bengal, and Delhi is not getting it. There are blockages, though the centre has issued guidelines for disturbance-free arrival or movement of oxygen. It's not happening on ground. It's largely happening primarily because the administrative apparatus down from the district level till the top, where various empowered groups are there, they have failed to gauge the significance of getting oxygen arranged as the numbers started surging. Now, way back in April last year and in November, even in a parliamentary panel had flagged the need that there is going to be a requirement for one oxygen-linked bed and oxygen. But it seems that the entire apparatus, one, never prepared for it, and then when the numbers started rising, it did not flag the need or make arrangements for it. So now, in several pockets of India, there is oxygen, but how to get them to the hospitals or down to the last denominator of the patient is becoming a crisis. The Prime Minister has been holding a series of meetings, and today a meeting at 12:30 with the manufacturers of oxygen is going to be critical, because Prime Minister is expected to appeal for ramping up generation and also get their other facilities repurposed so that more oxygen can be made available, and that could well be the first step. But yes, availability still remains a question.
All right. Rahul, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. It's an important day as far as the Prime Minister's engagement with various stakeholders in this entire crisis is concerned. In fact, in just some time from now, he's also going to be holding a meeting with those supplying oxygen in the country. That's what Rahul also touched upon. And that is going to be extremely important, because right now, oxygen therapy is what is required to help most patients suffering from moderate or severe COVID in the country.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.